Looking for the best KitchenAid stand mixers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 KitchenAid stand mixers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, KitchenAid Professional 600 Series 6 Quart Stand Mixer. Pros: has some features comparable to more costly models, such as a bowl lift, powerful motor, 10 speeds, and 3 attachments. Comes in more than 10 fun colors. Designed for heavy-duty baking and bread making. Cons: though it's a bit less than the Pro line, it's still on the higher end of the price spectrum. The bowl is also smaller, and the warranty is only 1 year. Bottom line: a good choice if you normally cook in larger batches and need a powerful model capable of heavy-duty use. At number 2, KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. Pros: has 10 speeds and comes with 4 attachments. Hub opens the door to 10 optional attachments, including pasta makers. Available in over 20 colors. Many consumers appreciated the deeper bowl as opposed to wider ones seen in other models. Cons: occasional reports of quality issues, such as broken attachments or peeling stickers. Bottom line: classic artisan model whose craftsmanship makes it capable of handling high-volume baking and cooking. At number 1, KitchenAid Professional 5 Plus Series 5 Quart Bowl Lift Stand Mixer. Pros: equipped with 10 speeds for mixing, kneading, and whipping. Ultra sturdy design lifts the bowl into the beater for efficient incorporation. Can transform into a culinary hub given its compatibility with 10 optional attachments. Cons: a few reports that some ingredients at the bottom of the bowl weren't fully incorporated. Bottom line: one of KitchenAid's most powerful models, which is capable of making 9 dozen cookies in a single batch. Ideal for experienced bakers. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.